Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Hair Crown UG, your one-stop shop for all things hair. I am beyond excited for today's video. We're diving into a topic so many of you have requested. Easy, chic hairstyles for short hair. Whether you're already rocking a pixie cut or thinking about taking the plunge with a bob, I've got you covered. We'll be exploring 10 different styles, from sleek and sophisticated to messy and textured, so there's something for everyone and every occasion. So grab your brushes, your favorite styling products, and let's get started. First up is the always-on-trend sleek bob. This hairstyle has been a favorite for decades and continues to be a go-to look for many women around the world. It's versatile, elegant, and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. This style is so timeless and effortlessly chic. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a casual brunch with friends, the sleek bob always makes a statement. To start, you'll want to make sure your hair is freshly washed and conditioned. Clean hair provides the best foundation for achieving that smooth, sleek look. Then apply a heat protectant. This is super important to prevent damage from the straighteners. Heat protectants create a barrier between your hair and the high temperatures, ensuring your locks stay healthy and shiny. Now section your hair and start straightening from the bottom layers, working your way up. This method ensures that each section gets the attention it needs for a flawless finish. The key here is to go slow and steady to ensure every strand is perfectly smooth. Rushing through this step can lead to uneven results, so take your time. Once your whole head is done, use a bit of hairspray for hold. This will keep your style in place throughout the day, no matter what activities you have planned. But for that extra sleek finish, I like to take a tiny bit of hair serum and gently smooth it over the top layer. This not only adds shine but also helps to tame any stubborn flyaways. This helps tame any flyaways and adds a beautiful shine. A little bit of serum goes a long way, so use it sparingly to avoid weighing down your hair. And there you have it, a sleek and sophisticated bob that's perfect for any occasion, from a day at the office to a night out with friends. This look is sure to turn heads and make you feel confident and stylish. Don't worry if it doesn't look absolutely perfect on the first try. Like any skill, mastering the sleek bob takes a bit of practice and patience. Practice makes perfect, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can master this style. With a bit of effort and the right techniques, you'll be rocking a sleek and chic bob in no time. Next up is a more relaxed, textured look, messy waves. This style is perfect for those days when you want that I woke up like this vibe, even if it takes a little bit of effort. Start with dry hair, and if you have naturally straight hair, add in a few loose curls with a curling iron. Don't worry about being too precise here. The messier, the better. Once you've got some texture, spritz your hair with a texturizing spray or sea salt spray. This will give it that effortless, beachy look. Now use your fingers to scrunch up your hair, lifting at the roots to add volume. You can also twist small sections of hair to enhance the waves. And voila! You've got those perfectly imperfect, effortlessly cool, messy waves that everyone loves. Let's move on to a style that's both chic and practical, the half-up top knot. This is perfect for keeping your hair out of your face while still showing off your gorgeous short locks. Simply gather the top section of your hair from about your temples upwards and twist it into a loose bun. Secure the bun with a hair tie, and don't worry about any bumps or flyaways. It all adds to the charm. You can leave the rest of your hair down, or if you're feeling fancy, add a few loose curls or waves for extra texture. This style is so versatile. It works for everything from running errands to a casual date night. Plus, it's super easy to dress up or down with accessories. Now, let's talk about styling a pixie cut with side bangs. This hairstyle is not only trendy, but also incredibly versatile, making it a favorite among fashion-forward individuals. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or simply want a low-maintenance yet stylish look, the pixie cut with side bangs has got you covered. This is such a cool and edgy look that can be styled in so many different ways. You can keep it sleek and polished for a more professional appearance, or go for a tousled, textured look for a casual day out. For a sleek and polished look, use a bit of hair gel or pomade to smooth down your hair and sweep your bangs to the side. This technique not only keeps your hair in place, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your overall appearance. This creates a really chic and sophisticated vibe. Perfect for a night out or a formal event, this style exudes confidence and elegance. If you prefer a more textured look, try using a texturizing spray or mousse. These products can add volume and definition to your hair, giving it a more dynamic and lively appearance. Apply it to your hair and then use your fingers to tousle and style it, creating volume and definition. This method is great for achieving a more relaxed and effortless look. And for a more playful and whimsical look, try curling your bangs. This can add a fun and youthful touch to your hairstyle, making it perfect for casual outings or creative settings. This adds a touch of softness and femininity to the edginess of the pixie cut. The contrast between the sharp cut and the soft curls creates a unique and eye-catching look. The possibilities are endless with a pixie cut and side bangs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Whether you want to keep it simple or go all out with styling, this haircut offers endless opportunities to express your personal style. For a touch of romance and elegance, why not try a braided crown? This timeless hairstyle is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a special event. The braided crown not only looks beautiful, but also keeps your hair neatly in place. This style looks intricate but is surprisingly easy to achieve. With just a few simple steps, you can create a stunning look that will turn heads wherever you go. Start by parting your hair to the side. This will give your braid a more natural and relaxed appearance. Make sure to brush your hair thoroughly to remove any tangles. Then, take a small section of hair from one side of your part and begin braiding it, adding in more hair as you go along, like a French braid. Be gentle and take your time to ensure the braid is neat and even. Continue braiding along your hairline until you reach the other side of your head. This will create a beautiful frame for your face and add a touch of elegance to your overall look. Secure the braid with a clear elastic band. This will keep the braid in place and prevent it from unraveling throughout the day. Now repeat the process on the other side of your head. Make sure both braids are symmetrical and even for the best results. Once you have two braids, carefully lift them and pin them in place at the back of your head, creating a crown effect. Use bobby pins to secure the braids and tuck in any loose ends for a polished finish. This style is perfect for special occasions, or when you want to add a touch of bohemian charm to your look. Whether you're attending a wedding, a festival, or just enjoying a sunny day out, the braided crown will make you feel like a queen. Next, we have the ultimate power move hairstyle, the slicked back look. This style is perfect for those days when you want to exude confidence and sophistication. Start with damp hair and apply a generous amount of gel or pomade, working it through your hair from roots to ends. Then use a fine-toothed comb to comb your hair back, creating a sleek and polished look. For extra hold, you can use a bit of hairspray. And if you want to add a touch of glamour, try adding a sparkly headband or hair clip. This style is perfect for job interviews, important meetings, or any occasion where you want to make a statement. For all my curly-haired beauties out there, let's talk about styling a curly pixie cut. This style is all about embracing your natural texture and letting your curls shine. Start by applying a curl-defining cream or gel to damp hair. This will help to enhance your curls and prevent frizz. Then use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer to dry your hair, scrunching it upwards to encourage volume and definition. Once your hair is dry, you can use your fingers to separate and style your curls. And for extra definition, you can use a curling iron to define any curls that need a little extra love. A curly pixie cut is a beautiful and low-maintenance way to embrace your natural hair texture. Let's move on to a classic and timeless style, the side-parted bob. This style is universally flattering and works for all hair types. Start by parting your hair deeply to one side. Then, use a round brush and hairdryer to blow dry your hair, creating volume at the roots. If you want to add some waves or curls, you can use a curling iron or straighteners. To finish, tuck the shorter side of your hair behind your ear and use a bit of hairspray to set the style. This style is perfect for everyday wear or for special occasions. Next up is the textured lob, a longer version of the bob that's effortlessly cool and stylish. Start by applying a texturizing spray or mousse to damp hair. Then, use a hairdryer and round brush to blow dry your hair, creating volume at the roots. Once your hair is dry, use a curling iron or straighteners to create loose waves or curls. Don't worry about being too precise here. The messier, the better. To finish, use your fingers to tousle your hair and create a lived-in look. This style is perfect for those days when you want to look effortlessly chic. And last but not least, let's finish with a touch of old Hollywood glamour vintage curls. This style is perfect for special occasions or when you want to feel extra glamorous. Start by applying a heat protectant to dry hair. Then, use a curling iron to create tight, defined curls all over your head. Once your hair is curled, let the curls cool completely before brushing them out. This will help to create soft, glamorous waves. To finish, use your fingers to style the curls and create a side part. Set the style with hairspray and add a sparkly hair accessory for extra glamour. This style is the perfect way to make a statement and channel your inner Hollywood starlet. And there you have it, my loves. 10 chic and easy hairstyles for short hair. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to try out some of these styles yourself. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with your hair and find styles that make you feel confident and beautiful. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. If you recreate any of these looks, be sure to tag me on social media. I absolutely love seeing your creations. Until next time, stay gorgeous.